Welcome to our quick guide on turning off vibration for likes on Instagram. If you're tired of your phone buzzing every time someone double taps your post, this simple tweak will calm those notifications and help you stay focused. First, head to your phone's main settings. This is where you control how your device communicates with the apps you rely on daily. From there, look for the apps section. It may be labeled as apps and notifications on some devices, but the idea is the same. You're going to manage Instagram's notification settings from the source. In the apps menu, find Instagram in your list of installed apps. Tap on Instagram to open its specific settings. This is where you customize everything related to how Instagram talks to you through your device. You'll want to access notifications to adjust how and when you receive alerts. Within Instagram's notification settings, you'll see various notification categories. These are the different triggers that can wake your phone. Scroll or swipe to locate the likes category. This category controls the alerts that come when someone likes your posts, comments, or other engaging actions that Instagram deems noteworthy. Tap on likes to open the specific options for those alerts. Here you'll see whether vibration is enabled, along with visual and sound cues. To stop the buzz, simply toggle off Vibrate. This action keeps the notification light or sound options intact if you still want to be informed, but removes the physical vibration from the device. With vibration turned off for likes, you'll still receive notifications as usual, but your phone won't buzz in your pocket or at your desk. If you ever want to revert this change, you can follow the same steps and toggle Vibrate back on. You can also adjust other aspects like notification previews or sound to tailor your experience. And that's all there is to it. A few taps in your phone settings, Instagram's notification categories, and you've eliminated the unwanted vibration from likes.